Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever more. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever more. People that use fiat.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level.
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
Win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, ever more.
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
G to the freaking M.
Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
G to the freaking M, guys, and welcome back to the Memecoin Show. All right. So, my apologies for missing out the show for the last 2 days for the weekend. I had to take care of some business. But now that we're back on an interesting day when the market is red, but we choose to show up because it's clockwork for us. Can you hear me perfectly? Let me know in the comments below. How is it, everybody? Everyone joining us, it's about that time. Elmi says she don't like to wait for me to come live. Yeah, I know. I am late again. But I have a lot of good news for you guys. So it's going to be an amazing stream. Welcome everybody joining us. And we're in a deep today. So many crybabies as always. You will see them all over the place. But for most of you guys, you know what this is about. Only opportunity for us to accumulate and ending up owning the world. Welcome to the show. Oh my God. We are in the double-digit dips on some of these plays. Like a lot of coins are down double digits. Gotta admit that I love to see it. Can you imagine, like Pepe is only minus 1.8% in the last 24 hours. Quite impressive for a meme coin if you ask me. So let's start the show. Special play. And I do have something that I want to tell you guys. A lot of things actually today. Let's see. A lot of things that I want to tell you guys about, like you have no idea. We have a lot of people already talking about the Magic Eden airdrop. I think that's going to be the story. Oh, it's December 10th, actually. Is it supposed? Okay, so it's America, so it has to be tomorrow, technically. But it's actually December 10th. What that means, Magic Eden airdrop is due. Look at some more dang here, down bad. So many things happening here. All right, I see a lot of beautiful comments here. Yeah, I see you. Market is dipping. It's only a good buying opportunity. Absolutely. I just bought Memecoin today before it get listed on Binance, but I want to know what do you think about that coin. Okay, we'll talk about that coin as well for sure. ET says CoinW not allowed in Canada. Does anyone know what other platform to use in Canada? So you can just use Phantom Wallet and trade on-chain only, or you can just use VPN to use CoinW. But you know, on-chain stuff works everywhere. So just get your Phantom Wallet and then use Proton and all the other two on-chain tools. Then you probably don't need a centralized exchange. All right. At the same time, we watched yesterday Lewis Hamilton, his last race as a Mercedes-Benz driver at Formula One. It was such an emotional moment for a lot of people. And Mercedes-Benz is now losing all the fans that will go to Ferrari. Can you believe it? Because I know so many people that only care about Formula One because of Lewis Hamilton. And they thought they were fans of Mercedes, but they are fans of Lewis. So that was something interesting that happened over the weekend. Oh, okay, I got stopped on my SPX position. Strange. Okay. What about you guys? What's happening in your life generally? You want to share what's happening in your side of the world, and how is your portfolio doing and all that. At the same time, we might want to start. Hey, and also there's news of Jay-Z doing some things. I don't know. The internet is it's such a negative place that people are so obsessed with other people's getting in trouble or downfall. It's such a strange things. Wow. Anyway, and then you also got a lot of fear mongering about Bitcoin and where it might go. Anyway, we see a little bit of a dip. You got so many people fear mongering and telling people that we're going to $60,000. It happened again 2 weeks ago, and I told you guys what the play is. We're in a bull market. Don't worry about all these guys. Okay, so let's start the show as professionals. And yeah, my name is Gray to the B to the T to the C. You're watching the Memecoin Show, the best Memecoin show on the internet, where we basically just go degenerate on these plays. We're like I'm a degen trader, and I go here, look into meme coins, we trade them, we buy them. And I just want to tell you, if you're watching for the first time, that this is a show for the right and left curve people. It's not really for mid curvers. So if you're mid curve, you're more than welcome to watch, but you need to understand what we're doing here. We're trading meme coins. So it might seem really, really weird to you until you graduate to a right curve person or a right curver. And rule number 2 is that none of what I say should be considered financial advice. I only share things for the sake of entertainment or what I am doing personally. So if you're going to take something out of this and then you make money from it, you're a genius. If you take something that I say here and you lose money, you're stupid, and you have to own both outcomes. And point number 3 is that everything goes to zero against Bitcoin. So please be aware that we are trading everything here only so that we can grow our Bitcoin holdings. At some point, we're going to rotate back to BTC because it's the hardest money on earth and there is no second best. All right, now let's look at what's happening today. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has dropped 3.5%. Current price, $96,500. Personally, I have nothing to complain about. Bitcoin at $96,000 is something that if you told me that was going to happen this year at the beginning of the year, I would have been like, bro, you're crazy. So all these crybabies outside on X or across social media, lying or crying about it, they're just little babies crying. I can tell you about that. Don't worry about it. Just ignore. And the odds are also taking a little bit of bleeding, which is really fine. If you ask me, a lot of these assets, you can click whatever you want here. I can literally just click on Doge. Dogecoin is up 103% in the last 30 days. It's up 321% in the last 12 months. However, it's down 8.5% in the last 24 hours. And of course, you have people crying about it. So if you're one of those people crying about it, who is freaking out by a simple healthy correction in the market, sir, you're not made for this. Ma'am, you're not made for this game. You're not made for the trenches. These are the trenches, and you basically need to grow a six-pack so that if you get hit in the stomach, you can just flex your muscles and you don't feel it anymore. So this is just the normal thing in this world today. Please do not worry about any bleeding that's happening in the market. On the flip side, if you look at the largest gainers in the last 24 hours, because these show us where is the money going, where's the rotation right now. So you can start to see that pretty much it's all mostly meme coins for the most part here. And most of them are sort of Pepe derivatives, showing you that there is a strong rotation towards meme coin, but also there is now a strong rotation towards Pepe. Pepe is gaining a lot of traction again, and a lot of people are launching a lot of copycats to sort of make the most out of it. And the BTC dominance is now at 52%, still dripping. I still think it's high. It needs to be somewhere around 42%. That would mean that a lot of the meme coins will climb higher and higher and higher and higher. Never say, my friends, I never warned you. So what we have here today, what are these guys talking about? What we have here today is the trench life. We'll just do some technical analysis, and then I will take you through the trenches looking for opportunities to snipe and make money, because this little dump is not going to be sustainable for the next few days. In the next few days, we're going up again, and we're going up big, and you have to prepare for that. And it's exactly what I will be doing in this live stream. Okay, so let's do the right thing, and I will go ahead and share this to my friends on X so that we remind them and get them to join us, because a lot of them do not even know that we're live. Okay, back in the trenches, buying the meme coin 100x dip. Drop your so Addy and tap in now. Fire emoji. Bang! To the moon. There we go. Okay, so let me look at your comments. What are you guys crying about today? For a lot of you, for the lot of crybabies, I want to see exactly what you want to complain about today. Before I give you the solutions, I want to understand what the problem is. So, by the deep so long, yeah, Ninja know exactly what it is. I need to give you the update of our portfolios. Okay, so I flexed on X the other day saying that we hit $225,000 on this account. We hit $232,000 actually 2 days ago in this portfolio, but now we're down to $206,000. That's where we stand at the moment. Still above 200,000, that's a nice number. But I do expect a day where meme coins are going to send big, and we're going to go straight to 500,000. $500,000 in no time. That's going to happen very soon. So I'm not panicking. The portfolio still looks the same. So we have Chill Guy, Mother, Goat, Pepe, Doge, Peanut, Mudang, Whiff, SPX. And $5 just for fun. 5 USDT. And then when we go back into the derivatives trenches, this is what we look like. Our XRP position, it's still in profit, $115,000 in profit, with only an investment of about $9,000 is what we put down. And here we have a margin of, we had $9,000 down also, but we're in a profit of $6,000 right now. So over in this portfolio, we actually $120,000 in profit, $121,000 in profit. So I'm not worried. I'm not going to close any of these positions. I'm just going to hold them. I'm just going to hold, because if you pay attention to what's going on at a macro level in crypto, you know that the bull run, sir, is only getting started. This is only the beginning. Now we can look at your comments and what you want to talk about. So when deep finish, LLB, Mudang to the moon, holding Mudang. Some KOLs are calling for a dump, bro. Yeah, I think this is Ran mostly is calling for the dump. He has been trying, I think he's short. He has been calling dump even before Bitcoin hit 100K. Serge, I'm a check, Peanut, and Act. That's a good play. Listening all the way from capital city in East Africa, Kampala. Bro, where have you been? The trenches have been bleeding. Yeah, bro, I've been in the trenches. I've been in the trenches the last 2 days. I had to do some things, but at the same time, I spent some time in the NFT trenches, actually. You would be surprised. I found really some juicy stuff that's going on there. I was reconnecting with my NFT cabal. a lot going on in Syria at the moment. Yeah, that's going to stabilize very soon. Look, Trump is back. The wars are getting over. The wars will be over very soon. You hear that Trump is meeting Putin and President Xi and all these other guys, and then in no time the wars will start stopping and the economies will start to boom again. Boss, my long entry just hit SL since morning. Yeah, that's normal. That's fine. Everything down but good. Yeah, bro, it's all good, guys. It's all good. We have been pumping for a while, guys. We cannot be complaining about a simple little dump. What about bread? Yeah, we'll talk about bread. I had a nice dip so I can leverage like more day. Exactly. So, you know, one thing to do right now is that if you are aware of certain good positions, you can now go along with some leverage. So if you got stopped, that's fine. It means that you are actually going to lower your entry position right now, which means you enter at a much better lower price. And if you add another extra, a little extra leverage, that's going to send. Gambo says, fart coin, yes. So you know what's funny about fart coin? A lot of KOLs are now jumping on the bandwagon, okay? I remember I put out a tweet this morning saying that I was sharing the position on, or at least what I did with, I was sharing exactly what I did with Fartcoin. So I was saying here, in the alpha group, I shared Fartcoin early when the price was 0.04, okay? And now the price today, I think it hit Fartcoin. I don't think today was the all-time high, but it was up big because a lot of these guys are talking about Fartcoin now. So now it's 30 cents, almost 10x within 40 days since I posted this in the alpha group. And a lot of people are like, oh, Fartcoin. I'm like, let me show you. So even the guys like Cook is now promoting Fartcoin. He just got into it. I think he bought it 2 days ago or something like that. I'm like, bro, this is what we're all about on this channel. We start the trends and we let all the other guys follow our positions. Same with Runes and Ordinos. You know, we're always the trendsetters. We set the trend and everybody else has to follow us because hot air rises. So it seems like Fartcoin is gaining a little bit of mind share more than earlier than I thought. Actually, I was like, yeah, Fartcoin might get listed on some exchanges or whatever, but it's becoming more popular earlier than I thought. So welcome to the trenches of that. And obviously, if we look at our holdings here, everything here on this list is red. Some of our watch list, except for like one coin here, but everything else today is red. There is no mercy, guys. Everything red. The low caps are basically dipping with double digits. The good ones a little bit better. But most of the low caps are selling or having a good time. Crying about the moon dang deep. Bro, like we got listed on Coinbase. It barely made any moves whatsoever. So the best you can do is to just accumulate and build up long positions. Another Runestone airdrop coming apparently. Okay, tell me about that. Will Pepe hit 5 cents? It could. Just have to clip a couple of zeros, right? I buy the dip, but it keeps on dipping. So the way the dip works, by the way, the way the dip works when we say buy the dip, it doesn't mean that when you buy the dip, then it will start going up. It's just that you're lowering your average entry prices. Okay, people have been excited about Move. So yeah, I'll get into Move because I don't really know anything about Move. So let's look into it right now. Movement, because Elmi also is telling us about Move. So we might just talk about Move today. Why is Move such a big deal? Is it another cabal play? Is it something we can make money on? Am I late or do I still have a chance? Move. Movement. What the hell is this? The Movement Foundation is driving force behind the Movement ecosystem dedicated to fostering innovation, supporting developers, and advanced. So Move, the programming language, has its own coin or what? Oh no, this is another virtual machine. Okay. Movement is a cutting-edge layer 2 solution building strong Move VM designed to provide the developers with a powerful, efficient, and scalable platform. What? Explore the ecosystem. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. Who are the investors in this play? They had the Move drop, developers, community, learn. Movement. A Movement VM. Okay, so this is another layer 2 on Ethereum, basically. Okay. I don't know who the funders here. They don't seem to. Why are they not exposing this stuff, bro? Okay. Let's see. You know what I want? You know what I want? I want to find something more. I need to know who the founders are of this company. Movement. That is kind of something already. I mean, if you're gonna, why are you not revealing the investors, bro? Who are the cabal? I need to know the cabal before I can touch it. There's certain cabal that I trust, and there's certain cabal that I just don't trust at all. Let's say Ondo investors. Okay, so this is CryptoRank, and this is the movement that you guys are talking about right now, and this is what it looks like. Okay, fundraising. Okay, so there's Binance Labs is in there, Polychain Capital, OKX Ventures, Robot Ventures, Maven, Hack VC, Sandeep from Polygon. Yeah, Sandeep is from Polygon. And pre-seed, it was Borderless, DAO5, Blizzard. So there is not really need like the big cabal plays. There are no Pantera Capital kind of stuff, you know. Okay. So Aptos invested, Bankless Ventures invested in it, Nomad Capital, Angel. So you got Meltem, Keon, Jason, Sandy. Sandy invested in there. Okay. Smoky, Nick White. You know, I think it's crazy if you're going to be revealing all these kind of guys like this. Like if I invest in a seed round or in an angel round, I don't want my name on this stuff. Thankfully, let's see if the projects that I invested in have me listed like this also. Which project should we check? BitLayer. Okay, so angels are not listed here. This is nice. Exactly, bro. Keep some privacy for the people. Huh? What's going on there? Anyway, so Move. You guys want to talk about Move. I don't know much about it, but it's 1.7 billion FDV, which is very little for a layer 2. At the same time, I'm like, bro, how many layer 2s are we going to get? What's special about this? I don't know really about that. You guys can tell me about it. But so far, just after reviewing the project, I'm not really crazy about it. At the same time, we have to consider that other projects like Hype have gone up like crazy since the airdrop recently. However, Hyper is different because it is actually a platform where people are trading and it's profitable. So they cannot be in the same category, but it's already at $4.3 billion. Think about it. if this is already at $4.3 billion, it shows you like everything is going to go up to these numbers. Meme coins, whatever, it has to be at least 4 billion and above. Anyway, what else do you want me to check out before I can get into the trenches? Do you think it's a good idea to 3x leverage Mudeng? I think it's a good idea, especially if you trade on cross margin and your liquidation point is lower. It's like way below that. It's at 10 or 5 cents or something. Frog coin on Solana. Fractionized frog, or like which frog are you talking about? Anyway, so let's dip into the trenches, guys. What are we buying right now? What is the early stuff? So I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I would rather be on Fortune right now looking for new opportunities, to be honest. Otherwise, if you're looking for something to buy, it's really that simple. So there is AI. Today's AI day because Sam Altman is coming back and he has a launch to announce. OpenAI is launching something today. So I think if it's going to be groundbreaking, a lot of AI stuff, it's going to... Oh, he has already started? So I think what they wanted to announce was just Sora. Kind of overwhelming, man. Is this it? So I'm so excited for what we have to launch on day 3. Monday feels so far away. Okay, so 12 days of OpenAI. Okay, so so they have 12 days, and this is on day 3, which is Monday. So it means that they have a lot of things to launch. So I think if they launch something extraordinary, we might get into another AI craze anytime, any moment from now. So we are launching Sora today, and we made a new product to go with it. If you have any pro account, you can generate videos. Anyone can view them. I will make some time to roll it out. By the end of the day, it should be available at Sora.com. Okay, so Sora is now available for everybody to use, it seems like, finally. So the memes are about to go crazy. So if the market recovers, I think AI is going to be the first side of things to actually pump. Wow, but the people look drunk, bro. Look at how they walk. It's like they're drunk. But the video is getting better. You have to say, you have to admit that. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful video here. Wow, bro. If you work in film, like if you're a cinematographer, you film, you're cooked. You're so cooked, bro. If you're an animator, you're cooked. Your job is over. If you're a CGI artist, your job is over. These tools are only going to get better. Literally, movies now are going to become something that you provide a script and you prompt how you develop a look with AI itself, and the AI is just going to generate everything for you. Every shot you can generate with AI. Guys, very soon, the only thing remaining very soon is going to be meme coin flipping. Everything goes to shit. Now, imagine having a beautiful film idea right now. You can now cook your own movies. It's insane. Models, you're cooked. Your job is over. You now need to go get a real job at Starbucks or something like that, because this video looks beautiful. Just 2 days ago, they needed a model to go and do this, to shoot, you know, and then it's very expensive. Fly them over, buy them expensive clothes, makeup, and all this. Now you just click a button, a couple of prompts, boom, you've got a beautiful video. So models, you gotta learn how to flip meme coins right now. Your job is done. Cinematographers, you better learn crypto right now. Your job is, oh, look at this beautiful video. It's AI, bro. It's AI. Oh my gosh. This is insane, bro. Yeah, everyone's cooked, guys. Everybody is cooked except for us. This is AI. We are cooked. And this is like a back in the day, 1970s or something. Look at how beautiful the videos look. Yeah, models, you're cooked, bro. Imagine this is like a clothing brand ad right now or commercial. They don't need the models anymore. Okay, so let's think now as degens. You have video. This is you got Sora now. It's cheap to run all these models to generate stuff. I'm sure the API is already open already for this. Now we're going to start seeing more video AIs doing something. In crypto, you're going to see a lot of AI meme coins that are related to some video generated stuff. So I expect from now, for the next 2 weeks, it's going to be more about AI model. AI meme coins are going to dominate because people are going to be cooking stuff, weird things with these models right now, with these language models. Oh, models are cooked, bro. Look at this guy. He looks good already. You can believe that he's a person. And I mean, it doesn't look as good as me, but looks good than most people, and he looks believable. So a lot of models are literally cooked at this point. It's tough. The skin, ambient occlusion, global illumination, scattering, everything looks perfect. No more uncanny valley anymore. I'm looking at him in the eye. So a lot of AI stuff is going to go. But first, let's look at how the AI memes right now are cooking. Because I gave you guys a couple of AI plays recently. We talked about Waifu. Let's see how are they bleeding right now. Dasha, 19% down. Okay, so right now, if I was you, this is exactly what I would be buying aggressively right now. Waifu. I would be going all in because with all the AI agents launching and video coming in, the next few days are going to be filled with a lot of strange AI stuff. So I would go in, get me some Waifu. It's the only way to do it. And I'm sure they will be utilizing some of that new AI stuff. So if you're in the trenches, you want to clip some of this. Waifu, you make sure you have it in your portfolio. And how is AI 16Z doing as well? 22, oh my God, 22% down on AI 16Z. Ooh, let it bleed. I wanted to come back down to like 34 cents. I would love to clip some of it there. So I'm already holding AI 16Z. I'm now just building a position on Waifu for obvious reasons. For obvious reasons. Anyway, is there something interesting launching though? Yeah, definitely a Hawaiian Chad, bro. He's a Hawaiian Chad. And I don't think you can compete with an AI Hawaiian Chad. Smart Cookie became a member, level Lambo. Welcome to the membership, Smart Cookie. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate you. This is perfect. Everybody who supports this channel by becoming a member, I appreciate every single one of you. So is the market coming back on the hour? No, not yet. Everything's still red. But the smartest thing we can do at this point, guys, is to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Okay, so what I will do, I want to long some other positions here. So I think I'm going to reduce my position on XRP, maybe just a little bit, to release some funds. So no, on the XRP position here. So I'm going to take a little bit of a profit on it, 25% of the profits on XRP, and close it. Okay, once that's filled, I will use some of that money and I'll add into another position, because I can see a lot of opportunities here, guys. So I want to get into a SPX or something. Oh, actually, I'll actually need to get into WIF, because WIF is going to bounce back strong as well. Right, moving on. What exchange can we get Vaifu? So Vaifu, you can get it from Jupiter. You just get the contract address and you get it from Jupiter. Really. Shazmu says, buy more solid coins. What does that even mean, bro? This is the Memecoin Show. We want to buy the degen stuff. The solid coins are too slow to make us rich. And I also clipped some GME yesterday. So let's see how that's going. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? You have GME GM Ethereum. GME Ethereum is standing still with only a minus 3% in the last 24 hours. How ridiculous this is. Okay, so actually GME Sol is also not too bad right now. So a little 11% in the last 24 hours. At the same time, Michael Saylor is on the show with Dev Portnoy, going live together. That is bullish. 7 hours ago, MicroStrategy has acquired 21,550 Bitcoin for $2.1 billion at 98,783 per Bitcoin, and has achieved a yield of 43% QTD and 68.7% YTD. As of 12/8/24, we hold 423,750 Bitcoin, acquired 25.6 billion at $60,000 per Bitcoin. Now, these guys, you know what they're going for. They're going for 1 million Bitcoin in ownership. That's what they want. And once they do that, and the government states come into Bitcoin, what they will do is that will just become like a gold reserve, and they will be generating money, yield on top of that. This is one of the most impressive business moves I've seen in the last few years, guys. In my lifetime, actually, so far. It's like, bro, this guy is creating a perpetual money printing machine, and you can't compete. The chart only goes up for the stock, and the stock, using the stock to basically raise money and taking the money to pump more, to buy more Bitcoin, therefore pumping the price. It's a cyclical system. Peter Schiff is hating here. I figured you were the buyer. Without your leverage, buying Bitcoin would be substantially lower in price. Once you finish buying, the price will tank. Then your creditors force you to sell it. It will crash. Yeah. This guy's definitely not smart. He just got lucky. It's a gold bag. Anyway, did we sell? Ooh, XRP keeps dipping then, because it can't even close our position. Let's try this again. Okay, let's close at 216. So I'm closing 25% of XRP at 216. That should feel. Oh, flip. Oh my gosh, everything's going to shit now. Damn. XRP $2. Welcome to the show. Now I'm just gonna refresh this. We're already at if I refresh this, we're going down to 190K already, I'm sure. Bam. There we go, I told you. Losing money fast, of course. Okay. Still have the order in place. Okay, it's closing slowly. Almost done. Okay, nice. It's the deep day. It's even funny if you watch it from like AgriTrade. There we go. Real action. Yeah, it's a bleeding season, bro. It's time to bleed. Big boys are selling somewhere. Wow, it's really the Wild West, bro. The memes are not gonna survive this one. It's too harsh. The rap, the purge. And if you don't have the strength to survive it, bro, you're not gonna make it. Welcome to the trenches, guys. Anyway, go back here. I think this is the perfect day to look for like big pumps that are going on. DND 10 Donondo. What kind of coin is that? Just graduated. 26 holders. Okay, so I'm going to snipe coins that are just about to graduate, but I will choose the ones that have at least 500 holders. Oh, is 500 enough? Actually, it's more. 500 is probably even too much. I will pick something that has like, yeah, like this is pretty cool actually. Steak. Santa, Unisol, Jay-Z, Jay-Z, Reversal, Wows, The Matrix, Homeless Homie. It's like when the market is pumping, you can see the momentum of the trenches is even lower. Not good launches whatsoever, but it's a good day to actually clip something. Spexy, what is this one about? Okay, snipers bought, snipers sold. Dev bought, dev sold. Yeah, there's a lot of shit coins, bro. Okay, insiders are selling already. So this is bad news. This is cabal selling. Just got liquidated trading Soul. Yeah, sorry about that, but it's just part of the game. I'm about to buy back so much. Yeah, bro, look, there's nothing to worry about here, guys. Just a normal day in the trenches. Are we going lower? Let's see. What does BTC look like? I think we're more likely going to, if we're going to go lower, we're going to 92K, and then we're going to maintain somewhere there, because we already tested that level, right? We sort of flash crashed to 94K, and the other day here we tested 92K. So the signs have been there for a few days that anything can happen, which is not surprising, guys. Bitcoin is at $100,000. So here we're going back, and we might flash crash all the way to $92,000. And we might consolidate again and then pump to 100K the proper way. I don't think there's anything to panic. If anything, you should be, oh my gosh, SPX, bro. What the hell is going on? What the hell? Yo, cabal players don't play, bro. When they crash bad. I have my money in this baby. Welcome to cabal plays. They don't play when they crash. But you know, the legends are going to be the ones that are buying, that are currently buying. Oh my gosh, Mudang already 35 cents. Blood in the streets, guys. Blood in the water. Blood in the water. Not looking good. Sound cutting out, still cutting out. Hey, drill, baby, drill. Blood in the water. Yeah, bro. Like right now, just make sure you don't get liquidated. Maintain your margin and stuff like that. It's really that simple. Yeah, you know, you get days like this in the market, but this is where you need a little bit of dry powder, so that when the days like this come, you have something to stand on, because it's easy opportunity. All you need to do now is to buy and long. Oh my gosh, already 23% down, 19% down. Okay, so I think this is the bottom, because Aptos is 20% down already in one day. So, you know, the good thing about it is this. You experience a day like this, it happens in a very short period of time. It's one candle down and all that. Whereas it's bad when it's going down slowly. You don't want to go down slowly. That you don't want. Because the slow bleeding is more dangerous. This is fine, because it happens really quickly. Some people sell off massively, and then we bounce back. But you don't want that steady, slow death, and then it goes on for a long time. I prefer this, and we get a shake off and we continue pumping. So why hasn't my XRP TP executed. That's just weird, man. I want to long some meme, bro. 218. Yeah, this has to work. So yeah, you can see in the last 24 hours, only some scam coins are up. Solana, Swap, SOS. I don't know if I trust any of that nonsense. Then you got Move, then you got Leo, and you got USDS. Stable coins all the way down. But you know, funny enough, Pepe is only down 2.8%. Can you believe it? Shows you that we're still in play, guys. We're still in play. How is GOAT doing as well? Oh my souls, bro. Oh my God. 57 cents got 21% down in the last 24 hours. Okay. Okay, but I think we're done. This is the bottom of the purge. So if you're looking for longs, this is the time. Hessenberg, I have $1,000. What did you recommend for a newbie like me? Split it up. Put $250 into Bitcoin, $250 into Mudang, $250 into GOAT, and $250 into, what else can I tell you? What else do I like? Just look at my portfolio, bro, and buy whatever you want from here, you know. You can put it into Chill Guy. I think Chill Guy is gonna do really well. Check the BTC chart, flash crash to 93,000. Yeah, I saw that. I love it. I love it like that, sir. BitConnect. Where is BitConnect? Alex Baker torturing all his followers, let down his community. So, bro, you know, people that follow guys like Alex Baker, I don't understand them. Like, Alex Baker, he's not honest about anything. He talks about things that he invested in or they gave him allocation to promote. He has no idea how meme coins work. He has zero idea how to play the meme coin game. He's always picking some bullshit. And then he comes with all these cabal plays like, you know, buy this coin. He talks about the gaming stuff, bro. Like, this stuff never goes up. Yeah, and he's shameless now with the promoting shit. Oh my gosh. Look at the tweet. So here he says tomorrow live stream where like 500k in meme allocations will be given away, is going to leave people with mental disorders or be linked up. But you see, yeah, if you're gonna be following guys like this, bro, like these are not trench lords. They're not like us, bro. They are not trench warriors. They're just like cabals. What the hell is this pink line? Pin link. pin link. And let's look at what the hell that is for real. Yeah, it's stuff that it's so weird calls. And then everybody's crying now. And right now I'm just going on these comments and I'm calling all these guys out and be like, bro, you cannot be talking about early meme coins and you don't even talk about Mudang. You're lying to your followers. So if you're following them, you know, maybe you deserve to lose money. They talk about AI and they talk about gaming because they know that people will just follow whatever they say. So liquidations are in. 1 hour wrecked, $863 million. Long, 835 and shorts, 28 mil. The only one is Pepe, actually. Pepe just doesn't care. Okay, we're now at 97,000 on Bitcoin again. I think we're good here, guys. So I think this is the end of the purge. Pepe. Pepe doesn't freaking care, bro. Still looking good, huh? Yeah, Pepe doesn't really care, actually. It's starting to go up right now. Yeah, strong Pepe. So, you know, the smartest play right now actually is to go along on Ton. Let me reduce my... Why isn't my position here closing? I need it to close right now because I want to buy some stuff. Okay. So some of my position on XRP is closed. I now have some money remaining. Good, exactly what I wanted. So I have $84,000. How the hell did it sell everything? I think a bunch of errors there going on. I only wanted to sell 25%. It sold more than I wanted. So I think the other orders went through, but I just couldn't refresh. Cool, let's go, guys. Let's cook. It is game time. So I'm gonna go along on Tone at these prices. It's down a lot. It's down a lot in the last 24 hours. 576, it went all the way to like 480. That's insane in the membrane in my books. So I'm gonna pick up some here. I'll put 10K on that. I'll start with the 3x leverage as usual, and I'll increase it later once I see some real strength coming back. Oh, actually, I might just put 15K. Yeah, so 15K on that. I need to, this is my sub account. I need to change the settings again. Okay, so what else can I tap in right now? Okay, I'm gonna clip some Sol. I'll put 10K on Sol, just a big one, because Sol hasn't really moved like that. Now I'm just gonna go crazy with these positions. Sol, USDT. Put 10 kilo on this one. Let's put 10 kilo on Sol. Okay, I'm also going to look at WIF. Okay, I need to go to my main account and change all these settings now because I disabled a lot of coins to avoid making stupid mistakes or to just FOMOing into some shit coins mainly. But what else can I tap in then? I might actually also just pick up some corn here, some Bitcoin. Which is probably the safest move right now. Or you know what? So I'll pick up some Bitcoin, long Bitcoin, and I'll add onto my ETH position because that is more feasible than the actually than the XRP. XRP already had a run, but ETH hasn't had yet. So a little 3x here for my friend Bitcoin. And then, okay, so let's look at the liquidation prices here. So yeah, my liquidation is to infinity actually. It's far from liquidations here, everything I'm looking at. I'll add more to my ETH position as well. So I'm gonna throw 20 grand on that. Or actually, let's see. So I'll throw in 15K on ETH extra, and I'll keep the rest of the money to see if the market keeps up the momentum. If it keeps choking, I'll keep adding up to the position. So tomorrow I might be in so much red that I have to add in more money. So you always need dry powder in market conditions like this, you know what I mean? But yeah, so far so good. I love it. So my Ethereum liquidation price is $537. BTC liquidation price $5,000, and Solana $10 liquidation price. So that ain't happening. None of these liquidations are going to play out. The rest is all games because I still have $46,000 sitting in this wallet right now, just chilling. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it plays out. Oh, the whales are buying Pepe. But I told you about that. I was like, that's why when I structured this portfolio, right? People were like, oh, why are you putting so much money into Pepe and WIF? I was like, yo, but the market is bouncing back, by the way. We're already at $20,000 again here. And I was telling people why I put so much money in Pepe and WIF is because the big whales, they don't understand meme coins the way we do. They're scared as hell. So they come into the market and they're like, oh, we want to buy meme coins. Let's just buy Pepe and let's buy WIF because they have the highest liquidity. Everybody knows them and they're listed everywhere. Okay, so another why didn't you want to check or whatever? Those you ain't gonna allow future trading with bonus given. Yeah, it does allow CoinW allow futures trading with a bonus given. In fact, if you want something for active trading like futures, there is actually a prop firm within CoinW. It's called PropW, this one. Just make sure you use my link to sign up if you're going to sign up on the platform. And also even on Bybit here where I'm trading derivatives. If you want to use Bybit, whatever platform that you want to use, whether it's Photon, everything I'm using for trading here, use my links in the description. You get discounts, VIP status, and welcome bonuses. And since you ask about futures trading and bonus trading, you can actually use this prop firm. If you're a good trader, you buy a ticket and you have to pass a challenge. If you pass the challenge, they fund your account to trade and then you keep, I think, 80% of the profit. So if you want to get a ticket for $5,000, you only pay $50. You buy the ticket for $50, you trade, and when you meet the requirements, they're now going to fund you with $5K straight up. And same here, if you put $100 and you pass the test, $10K. $200, $25K, and $385, they'll give you $50,000. So this is a prop firm. Those who are into Forex, you already understand this concept. But in crypto, it's very brand new now that you can also exploit it. So if you want to play the waters, especially when the markets are volatile like this, go ahead and use it. Just make sure you use my links. Now, PropW uses the same account as CoinW. So if you already have a CoinW, you can use the same logins to just access your PropW account. Just so that you know. Mudang is bouncing back. Let's see, bro. But that's why I'm personally not freaking out. I will let you guys do the freaky freak. You guys do the freaky freak out. I'm here just having fun, bro. Like, I came for the fun and I'm gonna stay for the money. I long Pepe though, creative thoughts. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good long. I already hold a lot of Pepe, 6 figures. So I don't know if I want to long it. I'm already like risked to Pepe so much that I'm not gonna long it anymore. Yeah, Mudang is definitely gonna come back with a bang because, bro, that's just the basics. A lot of you guys already know that. Like, why don't you just pick it up? Let me actually just clip some. I need to get some zero bro right now. It's something that I've been wanting to accumulate and I just hadn't. Oh, it didn't even dump today or what? Okay, so insiders are actually buying more. Insiders are buying more zero bro. Welcome to the trenches, family. This is where it happens. This is where all the magic actually takes place. It's all about what you do in moments like this that determines your visceral as a trader, as a trench lord. So we'll see that you get a lot of crybabies, but you also get a lot of OGs here, depending on how you're gonna bounce back. So let's look in the last 15 minutes. You see, everything bounced back with at least 4% for a lot of coins. Ando is up 4%, H-bar and all that stuff. So things are starting to change already. So zero bro still looking good. I like zero bro. I'm gonna clip some of it, small amounts on my, I don't really have that much money on Photon anymore. So I'm just gonna buy one saw of zero bro right now. Done. So there's a new play, was created an hour ago. It's called Sora. Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna clip this one also. I'm gonna clip in, how much do I have? I'm gonna clip in one saw worth of Sora. It's, what's the market cap now? 513K, transaction 81. That's too thin though. Because, Sora, but I think there's already another Sora. Because of the AI Sora launching, for that we reviewed already at the beginning of the stream, I think the Sora coin might go up. Yeah, I told you, there's already another Sora, which is 9 months old. Okay, so that one is useless. This one is still, and it pumped today by 42% because of the Sora announcement. But it doesn't even seem that convincing anymore, so I'll just stay away. Stay away from these. So I'll start at 300,000 to 5 million. Solanta, Shikoku, Sorei, Chico, Willow. Yeah, it's a lot of crap today in the trenches, guys. The transaction volume. Okay, so I think I'm going to filter it by transactions. So I want transactions from 500. Oh wow, nothing. Nothing. Because a lot of this stuff is scam. That's why there's nothing. 200. $100. Wow, so bad right now. Trench is so bad. Bitcoin hustlers, how does pre-market trading work, bro? Magic Eden is already trading before TGE, both spot and futures. So they're both contracts. They're both futures, basically. It's not spot. Because nobody has the token since TGE is not there. So people create contract or coins, and exchange can create a coin, and they will make a promise that you can buy this for now. For whatever price, they will let price discovery take care of its own thing. And when the actual coin has launched, they will buy and fund your account with the actual coin. And with futures, the asset don't need to exist. It just launches, and they will launch the coin at a price. And then the market would decide whether it wants to push it up or down. Release. Release words. Sounds like some gaming stuff. Is this a meme or what? Yeah, I told you, sounds like a game. The frontier between AI embodied and human creation. Building virtual worlds for AI to inhabit. Sounds like a good idea though. But look, so if you give an AI a virtual world to exist, are you generating this virtual world for humans or for the AI itself? Because the AI doesn't really need this. It doesn't have a concept of where to be or geography in terms of, it doesn't need to belong anywhere. It just needs silicon and protons to operate and in bits. So I don't understand. This sounds like a mid-curve narrative, really, because it doesn't quite make sense. You can't give AI space to exist. Like, bro, it doesn't care. But it looks like it's pumping, so I respect it. I just don't get the grift. So it's a meme coin or utility meme? Okay, interesting, but I'm gonna fade on this. I might regret it later, who knows, but it doesn't seem like something I wanna buy. Sounds a little too mid-curvy. So Pepe, Pengu. So this Pengu thing is just about Peggy Penguins launching their own coin, Pengu, launching very soon. I think I'm probably gonna fade that one. The most important thing actually is the Magic Eden coin, me. So this is the real deal. Let's go to L Bank. We're looking for ME. Guys, where is the Magic Eden? It's trading in spot. So so it's $5 now already. Wow, this is crazy, bro. All-time high, roughly about $10. Send it to $100. If it goes to $100, I'll buy a yacht for every single one of you. Because I got quite a good number of tokens on this one. So this airdrop's gonna be good to me. It's gonna be a good exit on that day at work. Yeah, if only by launch it fires up to $10. Yo, that's gonna be an amazing day, bros. Which is today actually. TGE is today, 10th of December. Are you guys ready? And the smartest thing to do, if it's going to launch at these prices below $5, smartest thing to do is to just buy more. If you didn't get any of this airdrop, I would say just buy when it launches, because bro, when this is going to be better than Hyperliquid, in my opinion. Maybe I'm shitting my bags, but this is just my belief. Ninja says, along these odds like nobody's business. How do you run into Bitcoin from Phantom? Please, you actually don't. If you want to play Bitcoin, you go to Magic Eden. And with Magic Eden, you can play Bitcoin, Solana, everything within. Petition. Created 2 minutes ago. 220 transaction. Volume 156,000. Okay, this sounds quite interesting actually. LP burned already. Dev bought, dev sold. Oh, what's going on? Okay, I'm gonna snipe this. Like, I'm gonna throw one saw. Oh, how many transactions? Okay, one saw quick, and then I'll exit. Let's see. I just jumped in. 699, 700, 800. Go to 1 million. Go to 1 million. Go to 1 million. Go to 1 million, please. Oh, it's dumping. They're dumping on me, guys. So quick. Can you go up now, bro? I just bought you. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Petition to free who? Petition to free Luigi Mangione. Okay, so this is the guy who shot the farmer guy, or the insurance guy. One minute. Yeah, it could be it's a good ticker. It's a good idea. Let's see if these idiots are gonna hold it up to a mil at least. Guys, come on, guys. It's only a million. Go to a freaking million. I just put my little one Solana in. Go to a freaking million and then we can talk. 800,000. They dumped it again. Okay, if these idiots rug me, I'm going to FUD this coin to death. Go to 1 million. If it goes to 1 million, then I'm gonna chill. I'll know that it's probably gonna make it. At least if it breaks 1 mil, it might go to 3 mil. Let's see. Bro, like they just graduated over Radium within like 2 minutes. That's quite impressive. Oh wow, 635 holders. Radium got 8% and it's shaking. Oh, flip. Okay, this might be something. You never know. You never know. We'll find out. We'll find out. These guys are so, if they're going to rag at these levels, they're stupid. I guess maybe who's selling are just the snipers. Yeah, man, we'll see. I don't know. But the idea is good because the meme of this guy, the story of this guy has gone around too much right now. People are, you know, he has a six-pack and he's a good-looking guy, so a lot of people are now supporting him. Can we still connect the wallet to Magic Eden for the airdrop? Yeah, you can. I mean, as long as your wallet is eligible, you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the claim website and claim it. Bitcoin hustlers, stop gambling. Mostly newbies just watching. Well, I give the rules of the game when I'm starting the stream every single time to make sure that people know that you don't copy what I'm doing. I'm a degen trader. This is not financial advice, or, you know, this is meme coins trading. Is dangerous, it's risky. So if someone is going to copy this, it's on them, it's not me. I'm not telling anyone to buy anything. And the reason also I do this live is I want people to see that it's not always making money. Like, you play, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. It's just that when you win big. Okay, how are we looking with the market overall? Okay, on the hour we actually read, so we'll see if the hour is gonna turn green suddenly. Then we know that we're really on the bounce back. And our positions, you're looking. Okay, I'm comfortable with my positions, to be honest. Everything looking good to me. Luigi, yeah. I'm trying to trade on the whole Luigi story. That's why I took this risky position right now on Proton, the petition coin. But we'll see which one's gonna make it. Let's see Luigi itself. Oh, it's already 876. So I don't know which one is gonna make it then, because there's this petition coin that I just bought. And then you also got Luigi, this one, which is already at 25 mil. Yeah, I should have bought the Luigi one, to be fair. Should have bought this one. But who knows? This one seems like it has already made it. Ah, okay. This is actually a good play. I'll buy these two. Reminds me, oh, this is dead already. Dead on arrival. Already wrecked. Quick. Wow, this one actually shot up all the way to like 54 cents. But you know, I could have caught this one because I already had an idea of this Luigi coin to launch. I just wasn't on my desktop. That's the problem. Now I feel like it's too late for me. 26 mil. Should I enter? Let's see. So I'm probably just gonna wait for it to come down here again. 20 mil. If it goes down to 20 mil, I'll buy. Yeah, here. I'll buy a 20 mil. I would say so far tonight it's something that I'm impressed by, because that guy is a legend. He needs to get a coin that goes to at least 300 mil. So yeah, I'll put a stop limit here. A limit buy somewhere there. and see what happens. Why did Mudeng drop so suddenly? Everything is going down. We're going through a minor little crash. So it's just how the game goes, my friend. Yeah, just part of the game. It just depends how you're going to react now. Are you going to sell, panic, or buy more? Pengu. So look, I know about the actual Pengu from Peggy Penguins. I don't think it has launched yet, has it? So if you bought Pengu, it means you entered in this, the unofficial Pengu, or is it the original one or what? I'll be surprised if it actually the original. So are you telling me that Paggy Penguins has already, yeah, so this is actually a fake Paggy Penguins, I think, or fake Pengu, from what it seems. But if it's printing for you, it's good. If you're looking for Pengu, you have to wait for Paggy Penguins to launch it officially themselves. I've set limit orders on Goat and Mudeng. Yeah, man, good luck. What happened with that drop? Any instructional new? I'm speaking about Ando. Everything is down, bro. It's just how the markets work. Sorry. You just have to get used to it. You guys, Ando is 55 cents and you're saying that what's a huge drop? What is a huge drop here? Or we talk about this here. Yeah, there was a huge sell-off and then now we're recovering from it. I think that's what's happening. But I feel like you guys are a little overreacting to this stuff. We're still in the green zone. 155. Like, do you know how many days, for how long we struggled for Ando just to break $1, bro? Like, a long time. So expect this and things will be just fine. Don't worry, guys. The non-realistic dreamer says XRP to the moon in 2040, 2050. Yeah, your name is right. The non-realistic dreamer. You're definitely not realistic. Yeah, guys, like these, welcome to the trenches. You thought everything, every day, just celebrating things going up. Like, the pain is the little price you pay for all the easy pumps and the easy money you make all the time. Reiko. I'm not convinced of this Reiko coin, but thanks for mentioning it. Okay, so I've been ragged already, bro. Like I just started today. Petition. I got ragged on this petition coin. Petition already went to 0. Thank you for playing. Thank you for playing. Thanks for ragging me within 5 minutes. Appreciate it. And then the dev also the creator bought more here. And he just got dumped. And I think these are definitely snipers. Yeah, the trenches don't play. I think someone else will try to pump it again somewhere there. I will sell it immediately when that happens. No dust. Sell everything. Thank you for ragging me, guys. Oh, this one already just ragged right now. Crazy. Yeah, on days like this, everyone's scared. Like the plays don't really stay on for too long, for long enough for anybody to make any money. Why Fartcoin kept going up? Because it's being hated on Twitter. There are articles now of, there's a Reddit about, let me show you this article. There's a funny story on Reddit. Fartcoin became so popular in the last 48 hours because of this story. I don't know where that article is, but there was a funny article today about how this lady said, oh, my husband is buying this coin, Fartcoin, and when I talk to him, he just says hot air rises or whatever. And then people found it funny, they started sharing it. And yeah, Fartcoin got mindshare, and then it got a lot of boomers hitting on it too, which is good because we saw, yeah, so look. You see, TradeFi guys are hating on it. So the more you hate something in crypto, especially when those kind of guys hate it, the more it becomes more popular. So this is the article. My husband put a significant amount of our net worth in a cryptocurrency token called Fartcoin. What do I do? He has bought nearly $175,000 of this over the last month. Note that he has earned all of this by investing early in other meme crypto coins. He has never really lost. I work in finance and told him he needs to diversify and buy index funds, but he will only ever respond with crypto jargon like hot air rises. And yeah, you know, so you can see that the mind share for Fartcoin is growing. So after this moment, I am now convinced that we're going up to the moon with Fartcoin. It will get more mind share, and at that point, some big exchange is going to notice it. Because it's also, remember, it came out of infinite backrooms like Truth Terminal AI, the same one with GOAT. Yeah, Lucky says, I want to invest in my school fees complete, so I bought more dang to flip for my school fees at university. Guys, don't do things like that. Don't do things like that. Can I buy more dang now or should I wait, bro? Like every day is a good, every opportunity under $1 billion. It's a good opportunity to buy more dang. Every time. If it's under $1 billion, it's a buying opportunity. That's all I would tell you. Yeah, better sell the ping while you can, bro. No, Ando is not at 55 cents. It's $1.55. Yeah, bros. You know, I don't think there's much to do in the trenches right now, other than just buy the dip of things that work, and also anticipation for Magic Eden. So I'm gonna bounce and get into the trenches and just start buying stuff that I think have any legs whatsoever. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll see how the market performs in the last 24 hours. We did quite a few things here. I don't need to buy so many coins because I basically hold a lot of shit coins already right now. But one thing for sure is that our portfolio is now under 200,000, and our perpetual swaps on Bybit, we just entered new positions here. Bitcoin, but also Solana, and we're waiting. I think we have another extra. Okay, this is just a TP. So we're just waiting what happens within the next 24 hours. The smartest thing to do in this market is to buy, be greedy when others are fearful. So people are now fearful right now. You don't want to be participating in that fear. You want to be buying. It's really that simple. Yeah, man, I'll go, and I'm just gonna lurk in the trenches for now. But yeah, thanks guys. At least we didn't skip any day. Today is Monday. We started the week on a great note. I believe within the next days there will be some exciting news and some big thing happens that is going to pump the prices of meme coins up, and we should be back to normal. It's a bull run, so don't worry about minor dips on days like this. Yeah, giveaway. Sure, let's do a quick giveaway before I go quickly. Let's pick a winner. Somebody get some free Solana today. So it's the retweets that get it. If you retweet it and drop your wallet address, you more likely gonna have a chance to win. Start context. And the winner is Fire for Fire is the freaking winner. Fire for Fire. Let's find his address. Fire for Fire. Congratulations. So I don't see Fire for Fire's post here. I think he only retweeted, but he didn't drop his wallet address. So Fire for Fire, I believe that you're watching the stream right now. Just go in the comment and drop your wallet address in the same post that you retweeted, and I'll check it within the next few moments, and then I'll send you your soul. But make sure if you want to be part of the giveaway, you retweet, but also drop your wallet address in the chat. So it's very, very important. Otherwise, see what happens. I look for your address, I don't find it. So I will not pick another person. I'll just wait for you to do it. Go ahead and do it, and you get your Solana. Fire for fire from Twitter. You're a winner of today, sir. Fire for fire. Yeah, exactly. His name is different. My ex told her family I left her for money pictures. Yo, one thing for sure that the bull run is going to do, or the trenches will do, is that it's definitely going to break up a lot of relationships, because a lot of people, are already having an issue with their partners. They say, oh, my girlfriend says I don't have enough time and I'm always on my computer, or I'm not sleeping and I'm always awake. I'm not doing anything. I don't want to go out anymore. And bro, it's just like, yeah, I think Mr. Wonderful had a good question from one guy about this, and he said, look, you have to make the hard choice, man. The people that love you will stay and don't understand. But then sometimes you also have to make the hard decision to be like, okay, which one is easier to replace, your boyfriend or a bull run? Which one can be easily replaced? Because not many people will understand that you're in the trenches when you're trading memes and NFTs. They're like, oh, this guy is completely stupid, or this girl has lost her mind. I want somebody who want to stay in bed and cuddle all day and watch football in Netflix, not the guy who is looking at monkey pictures on the internet all day and being excited about a candle going up. Sounds kind of stupid to me, because I will never understand that the bull run comes once in a while, and this might just be the only one that finds you in the good time, where you're aware and you have the time and the energy to do it. So guys, be relentless, just like Moon Deng. Be ungovernable and go hard. This is a lifetime opportunity. Don't freak it up. That's all I can tell you. How long do you reckon it would take for Moon Deng to be listed on Binance? I don't know. I think the longer it takes, the better. I fast and meditate my crypto success. Still can't find Bybit tutorial. Could you please drop a Bybit tutorial link, please? I think if you go on my channel and search from my channel, you'll find it. I have several there. Just search Bybit tutorial. Someone said I should check out Griffin. Uh-oh, what the hell is this? It's pumping on the red day, and it's 1 month ago. It's 1 month old, 93 million market cap. Symbol, just a G. Has to be impressive. What kind of nonsense is this? Hi, I'm Griffin. I coordinate a network of AI agents that help you take action on chain. Get started. Connect, Phantom. Okay, so what does it do? What can you do for me? As your dedicated AI agent Griffin, I'm here to provide you with insights and information about your network of AI agents and valuable early access program we offer. Whether you have a question about Griffin token, the benefits of joining the early access program, or updates on the future of capabilities, I'm here to help you guide me. Okay. What functions can you run? A task you can do for me. Sounds like I'm not so convinced about what it's all about, but it does sound like a good grift. The agent engine. Okay, let's look at that. Your agent won't never forget anything again. Did same day Solana on-chain holiday launches, Griffin AI agent allows you to buy merch from the catalog from the chat. Okay, now this sounds interesting. Thank you for bringing it up. I'll follow and add it to my research later. Notes. Study. I'm just gonna add study Griffin. Thanks for bringing this one up. I'm also going to add to watch list stream calls. Yeah, so I think it's going up nicely here for today. I expect it to dip though a little bit. So if I'm going to buy at all, I will wait for like a 70 million entry level, 60 to 70 million entry level. But it looks good. I think it's a good, I could add it to the same list of Vaifu and all those kind of AI agent plays. But thanks for sharing it. Really appreciate this one. Looks good. The co-founder of Sol is shitting it. It's quite strong. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. That's very good information. Nether Taxi, thank you for showing for sharing this one. Steph says, "Where's Fabiana? She's not here today. Jarvis fired her." Future's about to take us to the past. When you say Apple, you're talking about the actual Apple or Memecoin Apple? All right, guys, I gotta jump off right now, get back to the trenches, and we'll connect with you tomorrow. For now, you don't have to struggle too much. Just buy the things that worked already, that have momentum, like Mudang, and wait for the market to bounce back. And when the market goes green again, we'll get back in the trenches and look for like early meme plays. That's the name of the game. But for now,